Was it good?
But it's getting small, so it's not bad.
Hi everyone, so I'm just heading into the kitchen to cut up my bread, and I do this when the bread starts to get a little stale but it's still too fresh. Cut it all up. This is for my Christmas turkey stuffing, and what I do is cut it all up. I'll lay it out for a little bit to kind of dry a bit, put it back in the bag, and then I'll freeze it so that it's ready for when I want to get my stuffing done. And that's what I did today. It goes in the garbage. I'll just leave it.
Put it there then.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you like some ice cream?
I'm gonna go and check mine.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, I'll make you one.
Okay, I'm gonna go check that.
Just popping my meatloaf in the oven for supper. Now I'm getting Mom's bath ready for her. I went and got a bath bomb. I thought maybe she'd like to try it. So I'm trying to open it up with one hand. Now we're going outside. We're going to have a look outside and see the weather for today. It's a rainy Sunday. Trying to capture the birds. I got bluebirds and I got chickadees all over, and they're kind of yelling at me to get off the balcony so they can come and have some bird seed. I just put a little bit more bird seed and peanuts out, and now I'm trying to pan slowly because I know this camera isn't that steady. But now I'm going over to my craft area. I have got a few videos to upload and get some things organized for my next video. And that is a day in the life of me and Mom. Basically, what I've been doing all day is cooking a little bit, cleaning a little bit, getting Mom's bath ready. Anyway, thanks for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.